Hello, my name is James Hachet. I'm the Son of God, the Messiah, the Christ. The time is now 12:14 AM on the 6th of April 2012. We've just had the memorial night, and basically the moon is shining through my Velux window in my bedroom. The most interesting thing is, if you turn the lights on, it's actually shining on this. Just one moment. It's actually shining, if you turn the light off, on my laptop computer, which is on top of my bedside cabinet. And basically the time is 12:14 AM, and I looked at the page 12:14 in the Bible, and ironically it comes out at Malachi chapter 3 verse 1, which is my favourite scripture to identify that who I am. And it says, "Look, I am sending my messenger, and he must clear up a way before me, and suddenly there will come to his temple the true Lord, whom you people are seeking, and the messenger of the covenant in whom you are delighting. Look, he will certainly come, Jehovah of armies has said." And as we can see in chapter 4 verse 5, it says, "Look, I am sending to you people Elijah the prophet before the coming of the great and fear-inspiring day of Jehovah." So basically this is what the scripture is saying. The light is actually shining, the moonlight from the Velux window is actually shining on this computer, the Ark of the Covenant, and on that Bible scripture, which is page 12:14 in the small Bible, and it's shining right on top of it. If you turn the lights off, you can really see it, and it's noticeable. It's just shining on the computer and slightly to the right of the computer, but it's just on this area. It's absolutely amazing. It's a bit spooky, to be honest, but Jehovah must have lined up these houses and created the houses in a particular order when he inspired people to build them, because there's no way the moon could shine on this at this time and me open the scripture at page 214 and happen to be Malachi chapter 3 verse 1, who I am the messenger of Jehovah. So I thought that was interesting. I hope you found it interesting too, and I'll close this video, and say good night, because I'm ready for bed. I'm tired, and it's been an exciting day, and I'll bid you goodbye, and have a good night. Bye.